Which of the following is not a traditional approach to the study of political science? The correct answer is histography. Whose work is A History of Political Theory? The correct answer is George Sabin. The ancient Greeks used the following word of the term state: Republica, polis, republic, commonwealth. The correct answer is polis, P. What is the constitutional law? The correct answer is provisions given in the constitution is called constitutional law. The most common form that democracy takes in our time is that of limited democracy, representative democracy, maximum democracy, none of the above. The correct answer is B, representative democracy. Who wrote the work The Web of Government? Lasswell, Lasky, Weber, Catlin. The correct answer is D, Catlin. One of the following is an advocate of historical approach. The correct answer is Henry Mine, who used to say, I am the state. Louis XIV, Machiavelli, John Aston, Macquarie. The correct answer is A, Louis XIV. Which view is observed? The state is a necessary evil. Idealistic view, individualistic view, fascist view, popularistic view. The correct answer is B, individualistic view. Who observed the state is the march of God on earth? Plato, Aristotle, Hegel, Louis XIV. The correct answer is C, Hegel. Who wrote the work The Prince? Macquarie, Locke, Aston, Machiavelli. The correct answer is Machiavelli. Theorists who believe that state is an association of associations are best described as popularistic, federalistic, socialistic, anarchist. The correct answer is popularistic. Who contributed Leviathan? Plato, Hobbes, Locke, Rawls. The correct answer is B, Hobbes. Who said power corrupts? Absolute power corrupts absolutely. Hellman, Aristotle, Acton, Active. The correct answer is C, Acton. Who wrote the work Anarchy, State and Utopia? Taylor, Merriam, Robert Nozick, Catlin. The correct answer is C, Robert Nozick. Who among the following is associated with the rule of laws? Rule of law: A.D. Lindsay, Harold Lasky, A.V. Deci, Ivor Jenian. The correct answer is C, A.V. Deci. Constitutional government implies. The correct answer is limited government. The theory of separation of powers was initiated by. The correct answer is Montesquieu. The first systematic classification of government was given by. Correct answer is Aristotle. According to Aristotle, the best of government was democracy, monarchy, aristocracy, polity. The correct answer is polity. Who is called the keystone of the cabinet arc in the parliamentary system? The correct answer is Prime Minister. All the ministers swim and sink together. This is true of the following form of government: unitary, presidential, federal, parliamentary. The correct answer is parliamentary. The principle of one for all and all for one implies. The correct answer is collective responsibility. Who among the advocates of negative theory of liberty? Kant, Marx, Sedgwick, Asa Berlin. The correct answer is Asa Berlin. Which of the following is a central attributes of Plato's notion of justice? Harmony, equality, fraternity, liberty. The correct answer is harmony. A. The term sovereignty is derived from the word supranus of which language? French, Latin, Greek, English. The correct answer is Latin. Supranus. Fascist movement first developed in USA, Germany, Japan, Italy. The correct answer is Italy. Fascist ideology wished to establish the government of people, aristocrats, one leader, or oligarchy. The correct answer is one leader. Who said, "My program is action and not talk"? Stalin, Hitler, Mussolini, Lenin. The correct answer is Mussolini. Said, "My program is action, not talk." The correct answer is Mussolini. Fascism resembles communism is so far it stands for class war, private property, internationalism, totalitarian state. The correct answer is totalitarian state. The idea that the sovereign state, nation state, should be the main object of the political loyalty of individual is. The correct answer is nationalism. In view of classical thinker, nationalism lead to equality, democracy, and distrust of empire, economic prosperity, imperialism, authoritarianism. The correct answer is A. Equality, democracy, and distrust of empire. Modern liberals were different from classical because the correct answer is it stands for a world free from all forms of tyranny and exploitation. The principle of greatest good of the greatest number was advocated by idealist, individualistic, utilitarianism, Marxism. The correct answer is C. Utilitarianism. Positivist